Welcome, and thanks for joining me. I wanted to talk about my plans for finally getting into 3D printing. I have looked into things for a long time and really couldn't warrant getting a printer based on the cost or just difficulty level of getting into it. After a lot of research, I finally came across one that really made sense. I mean, a lot of printers nowadays are just entry level and everything, so much more affordable, easy to get into, more kid specific ones even, which is fantastic. And I decided to go with the Elagoo Neptune 3 Pro. Finally, something that was easy to set up, easy to work with, a lot of great features for a really great price that I jumped on it, and I'm excited to finally get into things and start making some cool 3D prints. So feel free to send some suggestions if there's anything you think I should start printing right away, and see how it goes. For now, let's put this together. All right. All right, let's get to it. So, as you can see, Elagoo Neptune 3 Pro. Let's get to unboxing. All right. Oh yeah, holder for the display. Oh, nice. Just a standard power cable. The arm for filament holder. Oh, all the little accessories. Got a little spudger to lift off prints. Looks like we got all the tools to put it together. Excellent. We got, oh nice. I didn't realize it came with a build platform glue stick. That's nice. Elagoo branded. We got this guy, which can thread into here. Not gonna hurt to do it now. Alright. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh, you can see the extruder head. Alright. Got the whole gantry here. Nice. Almost stands on its own. Alright. So we got up and down. So Z up. Y. So X, Z. Controlled here. Nice double screws. Excellent. Alright. Good. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, there we go. We got the hold base. Magnetic plate. Oh yeah, that's nice. Satisfying. Ooh, yeah, alright. Alright. Then we got the display. Not huge or anything, but nice to work with. The detachable nature. And that should, oh yeah, that holds pretty nicely. Cool. Looks like that's everything in the box itself. And let's get to assembling. Ooh, that's nice. That belt sounds nice. Alright. Should just be a few cables to put it all together, so, and a few screws. So, let's assemble. Extra, the little PLA they give you. I did order some black regular PLA, 2 rolls, 2 spools just in case. Looks like it came with blue handled nippers. That's nice. We got the filament detector, simple little basic detection. Here's the USB with the test print, and it's like 2 extra nozzles. Nice. Alright. Nice. Looks like a proper size needle to clean out the head if you get any stuck filament. So I'm one to follow the instructions, so let's go through it. Make sure we get this right. Alright, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. So first step, attach gantry, 4 big bolts. Alright, those are nice and tight. Let's go on to step 2. Step 2, we can attach the holder for the monitor. Let's do that. It's funny, the magnet on here keeps grabbing the Allen key. Alright, step 3. Plug in the monitor. Very nice. Okay. Step 4, install this guy. Oh, looks like I got the holder on the wrong side. Oh well. Swap that real quick. Step 4 includes installing the whole detector. Alright, and that just has a lot of play just in case. That's fine. Alright, so back and connecting all the cables. Alright, I got it plugged in. Let's turn it on. Hey, alright. Don't want to leave it in 230 volt. Switch it to 115. We did that already, so we are good. Looks like it's heating up a little bit. I'm gonna level it. Turning to 0, please wait. That looks too low to me. Or actually, yeah, maybe just a tad too low. Oh, wow, that is very small increments. So I have it at 1.9, but 2 millimeters? Was that 2.2? And that's like actually rubbing the paper. I'm gonna try 2 millimeter. 2 millimeters on the dot. Now let's calibrate the bed. Alright, this is going well. While that's doing that, I'm gonna grab a spool of... Alright, while that's heating, I can show you I got the Elagoo branded cardboard wheel, just regular PLA, 1 kilogram. This is nicely vacuum sealed too. And I got 2 spools, just so I wouldn't have to wait while I'm getting started. I feel like I might make some mistakes to kick things off, so we'll see what happens. Alright, bed's at 140 of 140. Alright, so now it's so this has a total of 36 points that it's checking, which is pretty decent for the bed size. It's not the biggest, 250 millimeter by 250 millimeter by 280 millimeter up. So I like it. Good beginner size. I don't need to get crazy with super big prints right now. I just want to get my feet wet. Alright, leveling. Please wait. Pay attention to the distance of the nozzle. Gives you some suggestions on what you need to look for. Use paper to check the nozzle. I'm gonna leave it at 2 millimeters right now for mine. Ooh, that bed is warm. And since it's all heated up, why don't we look at trying the test print? I hear it's a little Buddha. So let's see what's up. Alright, cool. So this is actually a USB stick or USB adapter, so you can easily plug in this little micro SD into your computer if needed. And should be, there's an SD card slot right up front. Micro SD. And put it in upside down. Let's go to print. Let's get the filament ready. We'll just use the provided filament. So we'll just string this up. And feed it in. Alright, well, we got it in, so let's... Got a Buddha model. I hit print, so we'll see what happens. Alright, it's got a little preview of it. The nozzle's got to heat up to 200. Let's see, LED light. Nice. Simple. Yeah, the printer head does get in the way of that, but it's nice. It illuminates everything pretty decently. I'll leave that on. And at this point, I'll put this over here, and we'll get a time lapse going. Alright, it's done! It's so exciting! I wonder if I can just pop it right on off. Wow. Honestly, I think this turned out like perfect. Tiny little string at the top. That's about it. This couldn't have been easier. I didn't have to adjust anything, really. I mean, I just adjusted the height slightly and looks like layer lines are even. Looks like it adhered to the bed just fine. Came up nicely. So I am so excited about this. There's actually a tiny bit of filament left, which is funny, because it was not much at all. But given this is a pretty tiny print, it's not too surprising, I guess. But it's nice they give that to you so you can dial things in just in case anything goes wrong. But overall, I am so excited. This is going to be great. So let me know what you think, and give me some ideas of some stuff you think would be cool to print that maybe no one else is printing and you've always wanted to see, or if you just have questions or anything about the printer. It definitely getting some thumbs up from me. I would recommend. So like, comment, subscribe, click all the buttons. Thanks for watching. See you later.